What if I told you it's possible to generate $635,200 in revenue, build a following of 753,000 subscribers, and rack up over 158.806 million views, all while working smarter, not harder? It's not a dream, it's a system, and today, I'm here to share it with you. This isn't just about earning $0 directly from YouTube Shorts. It's about uncovering the hidden potential behind those short, engaging videos to unlock life-changing opportunities. So, if you're ready to transform your content strategy and start earning like never before, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make it happen together. The secret lies in leveraging AI tools to make the process smoother and more efficient. And today, I'll walk you through a detailed, step-by-step guide to help you achieve passive income from YouTube Shorts. Trust me, if I can do this, so can you. All you need is the right approach and the willingness to take action. Let's get started. A few months ago, I found myself stuck in the same cycle, posting videos, crossing my fingers, and hoping for a breakthrough. I was passionate, sure, but I lacked a clear plan. And honestly, it felt like I was running in circles. Then came the game changer. I discovered how to leverage AI tools to completely transform my approach. It wasn't just about creating content anymore. It was about creating smarter, faster, and more effectively. With the power of AI, I unlocked a system that allowed me to not only grow my audience, but also maximize revenue. Suddenly, I wasn't drowning in endless tasks. Tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI streamlined my workflow, saving me hours of manual effort. I used AI to brainstorm video ideas, generate visuals, and even produce content faster than I ever thought possible. And the results? Mind-blowing. Within just a few months, my income started to soar, and my channel skyrocketed. Now I'm here to show you exactly how I did it. Every step, every strategy, nothing held back. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, and take your content and income to the next level, let's dive in. Let me show you how to unlock creativity and speed up your process like never before. First, let's talk about generating ideas. Here's a simple trick. Use ChatGPT. Just type in a prompt like this. Give me 10 creative story ideas. In seconds, you'll have a list of unique concepts at your fingertips. Need an example? How about this? A small chick with a broken leg helps a dog find its home. Pretty cool, right? That's just the start. You now have a whole batch of ideas ready to inspire your next project. But we're not stopping there. Once you have your prompts, it's time to bring them to life. Enter Leonardo AI, the tool that can transform your words into jaw-dropping visuals. Simply feed your ideas into it, and watch as your vision comes to life with stunning imagery. And here's the fun part. This isn't a one-and-done process. Take each idea and refine it. Test your prompts, adjust the details, and tweak until the images look exactly the way you imagined. It's easy to download your creations, and soon you'll have an entire collection of visuals ready to use for your project. This is how you work smarter, faster, and way more creatively. Let's keep the momentum going. There's so much more to create. Hold on, we're just getting to the best part. This is where everything you've worked on comes together to create the final masterpiece. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll see all your efforts connect seamlessly. First, take those stunning images from Leonardo AI and turn them into captivating videos. Don't stress if your initial attempts aren't perfect. Small tweaks to your prompts can make a world of difference. Keep experimenting until the results match your vision. Next, it's time to bring your visuals to life with Runway AI. This tool makes transforming static images into dynamic, engaging videos a breeze. Choose a motion style, whether it's smooth camera angles, animations, or cool transitions, and let the magic happen. You can also customize video length, adjust the duration of each image, and add effects to enhance the overall look. It's simple, it's fun, and the more you practice, the better your creations will be. Now for the finishing touch. Polishing your video to perfection. Enter CapCut, the easiest yet most powerful video editing tool to take your project to the next level. Here's how. Open CapCut and click Create New Project. Import your prepared video and photos from your device. Add your files all at once or one at a time. If any clips have logos or badges, click on them and use the zoom option to remove them. Be mindful not to zoom too much to maintain image quality. Repeat this for all clips to ensure a clean, professional look. This is where the magic happens, so let's keep going step by step to create something truly amazing. Ready for the next move? Let's dive in. Let's get creative and bring your video to life. First, head to the timeline section in CapCut. Here, you can simply drag and drop your clips to reorder them and craft the story your way. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements until it feels just right. It's your chance to create a flow that truly captivates. Next, take things up a notch with effects. Tap on each clip and explore the options in the effects section. Whether it's a soft glow, a dreamy blur, or a sparkling touch, effects can completely transform the vibe of your video. Fine-tune the settings for a polished, natural look that fits your vision. Want to make your video even more dynamic? Dive into the animation options. Try out enter, exit, and motion animations to add smooth transitions between clips. Arrange the visuals so they flow effortlessly from one to the next. It's like giving your video its own rhythm. Now let's talk about setting the mood with music. Background music plays a huge role in making your video memorable. Browse through CapCut's library of free tracks or upload your own favorite tune. Match the music to the tone of your video, and don't forget to adjust the volume so it blends perfectly with any original audio. Need to share a message or add context? Head over to the text section to include short, catchy phrases. Customize the font size, color, and style to match your theme, and sprinkle in some motion effects to make the text pop. Before you hit publish, give your project a final review. Check that all clips, effects, animations, and text are in perfect sync. Make those final tweaks to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Once you're happy with the results, it's time to export. Select your desired quality, whether it's 1080p or 4K, and let CapCut work its magic. Congratulations, you've just created something amazing. Hit that publish button and share your masterpiece with the world. Let's watch it together and enjoy the result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Got feedback or ideas for future content? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.